Hi, my name's Kieran and I'm from the Clwyd West Labour Party constituency. This video is just to show you how to use Labour's Doorstep app. So the Labour Doorstep app is basically the electronic version of the physical paper sheets that get used at the doorstep. So what you'll need to do first is to make sure on your smartphone you go onto a web browser and then type in doorstep.labour.org.uk, which shows here. And then you'll be greeted with this page on your phone. Okay, so then you'd have to press login. And then logging in, the organizer who has printed the sheets will give a session ID and Pincode. And in this instance, so you can get used to how the app works, we're going to be using this data. So for the session ID, we're going to be using this code. So the UAT-44156, and we place that in there. And the pin code, which is 298006. Once you've got that, you press login. So when you've logged in, you'll see, hello, this is your canvassing session. It says there's 15 properties in this round. So what we want to do is, on the top right, there are 3 dashes. Press on that, and then it will show you all the roads that are in this session. So in this instance, we have Queen's Road. So if we click on Queen's Road, it provides us with each house number on that road. Let's say we wanted to go to number 1 Queen's Road. All you would do on your smartphone or tablet is tap on number 1 Queen's Road. Once you've done that, it will show all the registered people in the property. So there is 4 in this property. And then all you would do is tap on the person you're talking to at the property and then correspond the questions you've asked them. So the first one, who you're planning to vote on the general election. They may say Labour, so you just record it as Labour. You could ask, how did they vote in the last general election? You could say they were against. And you could ask the question, who would you prefer, Labour or Tories? And you would record your response there. And then all you would do is click Log Contact. So that is now logged and synced directly to the network. So there's no data input, it's automatic. So let's say we wanted to do something else. So we click on the 3 icons on the top right, click on Queen's Road, or the road that we want to look at. And as you can see, that's gone green now because we've entered our input. Let's go to number 4. Number 4. So we can record if they're not in just by clicking Not In. And that will then make number 4 Queen's Road grey. So let's go to number 5. And at number 5, there is 2 residents. Let's say I was speaking to Roberta. And there's this button called Tasks. So if I press Tasks, you are able to do several things. For example, in your conversation, you might say, oh, would you like to hear from the Labour Party? And they can provide you with their email address. So you could press that, and you could enter their email address in there. So they will get Labour events, campaigns, opportunities to get involved. So let's go back. Tasks. There's also things to say if they've requested a postal vote or a candidate call. These are also helpful for a general election, local elections, and if the person has moved at the property, you just click Mark as Moved. And that is it. This is how to use the Labour Doorstep app. If you've got any questions, feel free to get in contact with me at kieranbold@hotmail.com. Thank you.